My name is Rachel Walsh and this is Unit 1.2 demonstrating the use of hand tools, and today I will be demonstrating the use of a knife. And when using knives with any learners or in any sessions, you have to have a tool talk, and I'm going to demonstrate that. So this is my knife, this is my sheath, and this is my handle. I take my knife out like this, place my sheath down. This is my handle and this is the blade. This is the cutting edge. And to put my knife back, I get my sheath, place it in. I walk with my knife like this. I hold my knife like this. I pass my knife like this. And when I'm finished with my knife, I place it on the floor with the blade facing backwards and the handle facing in. When I'm finished with my knife, I place it in a storage box and I put my lid on and place in a storage shed with a lock on. When I'm using my knife with learners, it is important to observe, as it is an independent tool, so they'll be using it by themselves. So when using a knife, you get your glove on your helper hand. You can either sit on a stool or kneel down, or there are different ways of sitting when using your knife, but these are the ones I prefer, or that are easier for learners to use their whole body when using the knife. So you would begin by taking your glove, putting it on your helper hand, and your knife out of the sheath, and holding onto your piece of wood with your helper hand. You take a piece of wood and you go in a downward motion, placing your thumb on the top of the blade and pushing down while bending your elbow and pushing down with the knife. This creates some notches, and when some shavings start to come off and the learners are more confident when using a knife, you can use more of your shoulder and your whole body into the knife. This will create bigger shavings. Once they become more confident, they can try different ways of using the knife and different stances. So when finished with your knife, you ensure it is clean. And you place back in your sheath. When you are finished with your knife, you place back in your toolbox, ensuring all of the tools and all of the knives that were brought out in a session are put away and counted. That is the safe use of a knife with learners.